Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. The festive season is here and you know what that means. A lot of offers on smartphones, laptops and all sorts of gadgets. So Realme reached out to me about their offers for this festive season and asked would I like to share that with you guys. I said yes, I would definitely like to share those offers with you guys. So if you were planning to buy a Realme product, then I feel that now will be the best time because you will get a lot of offers. First up, let's start by talking about offers on smartphones. Realme 9 5G will be available for an effective price of Rs 13,000. 5G is just around the corner with Jio, Airtel and Vi launching 5G this year itself. So if you are planning to buy a new budget smartphone, then I feel that 5G should be the way to go, and Realme 9 5G is a good option, especially with the Dimensity 810 chipset. Moving on, the Realme 9 Pro will be available for an effective price of Rs 15,000. So if you can increase your budget by 2,000 rupees, then you can buy the Realme 9 Pro. It comes with a Snapdragon 695 processor, some really good cameras, and for 15,000 rupees you are getting a solid phone over here. Now the next offer is by far my favorite one, which is on the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G. Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G will be available for an effective price of Rs 18,000 only. 18,000 for this smartphone is just awesome. Like since the launch of Realme 9 Pro Plus, I have been recommending this smartphone, especially because of those cameras. The camera system on this smartphone is great, and now that it is under 20,000, I can easily say that it is the best camera system under this price point. So Realme 9 Pro Plus for 18,000 rupees is definitely an awesome deal. Next up is the Realme GT2. You can buy this smartphone for an effective price of Rs 27,000. And remember, for 27,000 it comes with a Snapdragon 888 processor. Yes, Snapdragon 888. So if you are looking to buy a smartphone with a high-end flagship processor under 30,000, then you can check out the Realme GT2. For 27,000 rupees, it's a great deal. This smartphone will be available for an effective price of Rs 35,000. Yes, 35,000 only. Realme GT2 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and for this price the 8 Gen 1 is excellent. Also the camera system is great. You get a very different microscopic camera with this smartphone, using which you can shoot some awesome photos. Not only that, I also like the paper back design. You can literally draw on the smartphone using a pencil and then erase it as well. 35,000 rupees for the Realme GT2 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is awesome. So those were the major smartphone deals. Obviously there are offers on other Realme smartphones as well, so you can check them out too. Now next up is a laptop, the Realme Book Slim. So Realme Book Slim, the i3 variant with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD, will be available for 33,000 rupees. This is a very good mid-range laptop by Realme. The display is excellent, the performance is smooth and the build quality is good as well. I've personally done a full review of this laptop, so if you want to watch that, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. For 33,000 rupees, you can definitely consider the Realme Book Slim i3 variant. Finally, we have some offers on audio products as well. The Realme Buds Wireless 2S will be available for the price of Rs 1299. For 1299, the Realme Buds Wireless 2S are great. We also have an offer on one of the best TWS earbuds out there, the Realme Buds Air 3. They will be available for a price of Rs 3799. Basically, you get a discount of Rs 200. Even without the discount, these earbuds are extremely value for money. So with the discount, it is even better. So those were some of the major offers going on right now. Now I'll do one thing. I'll drop links to all these offers in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. So anyway, this was a very quick video about offers by Realme for this festive season. If you want me to make a series of videos for various offers available on various websites and brands, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. I will make such videos. So yeah, that's been it. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.